Hi, welcome to clickmyproject.com. This is data mining. In this title of query planning for continuous aggregation queries over a network of data aggregators. The data aggregator will be providing to the continuous query or using to the monitoring change to the time varying data. The time varying data will provide to the online decision making to the query processing. The value of aggregation function or over distributed to the data item. The data item will be calculated to the sum of query and average query temperature will be provided to the this is query level. The query level item to the collection of data item network aggregator to the data binding. Data binding will be equal to the executing query will be kind the subquery analysis. The subquery analysis will be providing to the keyword data selection. The keyword data selection identifies the network data aggregator. Data aggregator will be provided to the aggregator query will be counting to the data performance. In involving decommissioning of the client query and some to the subquery to executing the subquery will be providing to the database analysis. The message will be recording to the satisfiable client to the specified the invariant bound model. The invariant bound will be provided to the result of the real event to replace the query result data. The query result data will be provided to the cost model will be provided to the invariancy data model. The invariancy data model will be analysis the validation for data. Low cost scalable technique and continuous query used to the network data aggregator. Our technique will provide to the client query analysis from the network data aggregation to the continuous aggregation query processing level. In query based to the continuous query, the monitoring change the time variant analysis to the 4 level data generation. First one continuous query, another one subquery, another one optimal query, another one random query. The random query providing to the optimal query and average collection to the continuous query. The continuous query selection to the query selection method will be created the invariance data. The specific argument to the time varying data will be dynamic with which allocate to the query level change. The query level change will be provided to the satisfaction of the client query will be invariance required to a large number of the reference message. The reference message will be collected to the query based data selections. Next, we will start with the data flow diagram. First, to select the database and select the server name. The server name will lead to the SQL server data selection. SQL server data selection will lead to the database and data accessing the table selection. The table selection will to the multiple client. Multiple client means client 1, client 2 and client 3 access to the client level data process. The client level data process analyzes the send level data query. Send level data query will provide the 2 level query selection. First one manual query selection, another one keyword based query selection. The query selection according to the 2 level process will be generated to the data level generator. First one aggregator, another one is network data aggregator. Aggregator only one process is only counting process. Network data aggregator will be providing to the validation process. The query based data level selection will be provided to the 3 level query process level. First one low, medium, high. Low level query select star from data and medium level query select star from data and where class will be providing to the query selection method. And long level, high level query will providing to the grouping level. The grouping level query will provide to the aggregate level providing to the receiving data selections. The receiving data selection will provide to the query result data analysis. The query result data analysis will to the multiple client multi-access to the client data process. The subquery process will provide the send result and receive result will be providing to the query data selection. The query data selection will be according to the multiple subquery divided. And subquery divided to the continuous query selection will providing to the random query. The random query optimal query will provide to the collection of data. The collection of data will according to the query based data selections. The multiple source different from the query will be providing to the user data activities. Next, we'll start a running process. This is homepage and enter the service analysis to the click to aggregator process. Enter the aggregator name. The aggregator name is XS and enter the level of optimization. The level of optimization will use 2 and select the database. The database selection to the service entry. In the service entry process analysis to the query level data processing. The query level data processing to the query allocation method. First one select the query. Let's enter the query. The query select star from CA1 and execute to the query level data processing and enter to submit the data record in the query instead to the database level. First enter the database level to store the data query process. Next enter the click to query execute level. The query execute level analysis from the result will provide into the query data analysis and enter the query level. The query reference value is 1 and query analysis value is 3111. The data bound value is 1. The next will generate to the data processing. The data process select to the query level data means 53. The query data process to reference level data allocation. The reference level data allocation to the optimal query data selection equal to 2. Next will process to the validation query process. The validation query process according to the data correlation item. The data correlation item according to 4 level data processing, invariance model, validation model, data dynamic model, data allocation model. The data correlation item to the query level item equal to 83. The aggregator will process according to the 2 level data aggregator, network data aggregator, one validation data aggregator. The validation data aggregator query level is aggregator name is SS and user provided data analysis will provide into the final data aggregator name. The continuous query allocated to the weighted graph generation. The weighted graph generation will provide to the service performance. Range we will allocate to the aggregate level providing to the data selection method. In the first calculate the invariance data level and allocate to the data dynamic model and allocate to the find reference value. And next allocate to the FFT fast query allocation. The fast query allocation providing to the clean query analysis. The clean query analysis value is 0.02 and our occurring to the query reference equal to 49 and query level is 6. Next will provide to the service analysis. Service analysis will providing to the database allocations. Next will process to the data mining tool generation. First explore the data and explore data set will providing to the selection of files. The file system will providing to the data sets. The data set will providing to the query occurring data. The query occurring data will provide to the CSV file will be generated to the input level data generation. The input level data generation to the query level processing. Select the query type data. The select the query type will be provided to the choose level data method. First one select the query level to the two level processing filter and all filter and multi filter. The multi filter will provide the supervised data. The supervised data will provide to the class order generation. The class order generation will provide to the apply the range value. The range value equal to 76 to the 75 range processing to the classify order. Next will process to the classify order. First select the choose method will provide to the one order generation. The one order generation will providing to the query level data processing will providing to the start level data generations. And the start will generation to the update select read update to the counting method. And the counting method will provide to the query level TP rate equal to 0.717. The percentage will listen to the setup will listen to the 66% will provide to the query data. The query data analysis the range will equal to 0.422. Next will provide to the cluster data analysis. The query attribute selection will be to the query type data will listen to providing to the selection method. The selection method range will equal to 176 will providing to the 87% and 26% or 13% will provide to the query level data allocation. The query level data allocation will to association will providing to the selection method. The association providing to selection will provide to the filter associator. The filter associator range will equal to 608 and attribute level 8 and next will process to the query term and execute will providing to the query optimization will providing to the query based data items. The query based data will provide the selection attribute will providing to the a priori algorithm. Aggr algorithm providing to the filter based data generation to the greedy step is one attribute removal. The one attribute removal providing to the step based data generation to the query based data into the query type allocation. The query type allocation will provide to the range will equal to 8, 7, 3, 5, 2, 6, 1 and another to the 7. The one term reference will allocate to the 10 term reference to the attribute levels data selections. Next start to the visualization method. The visualization method will provide to the update select attribute value. The update will provide the count equal to 163 will provide the query level data selections. Next will process the experiment method. The experiment will provide the advanced level data selection. The next will provide the advanced data selection the ARF file. ARF file will providing to the aggregate data selections. The aggregate data selection will provide to the next level data generation. The data generation will providing to the data will providing to the data processing level. The data processing level will providing to the file level data selection. Next will process to the file selection method. The file selection method analyzes the ARF file according to the database activity. Next enter the testing with word to the T tester and select the row equal to query type and select the column will providing to the query type and another value providing to the significant value equal 0.05. Connection starting method to the execute level. The test case will be providing to the selection method to the counting of select data. The next display to the column name equal to select the data will providing to the database activity. Database will provide output format will provide the select and data will providing to the mean precision equal to 2 and standard deviation equal to 2 will providing the flip disk to the HTML data allocation. The HTML data allocation will provide the range level will provide the performance test will active to the 4 level data selections. First level equal to tester point, another one is analysis, another one data set, and one is result data will provide the query selection data processing. The query selection data processing will provide the 4 level data set confidence will equal to 0.05. Next enter to the performance analysis. The performance analysis will provide the 3 level types of first one data aggregator, another one is query cost data, another number of refresh. First enter the data aggregator. The data aggregator means single level will provide to the 2 level query. And next another to the query cost data. First enter the data will provide to the query access to the multiple query analysis, the database allocation, and enter the mean value. Mean value equal to 42.1968 will providing to the database selection. The database selection will be number of reference range will equal to minus 198.169.0.5 will providing to the database activity. The one to reference selected to the 2 level query of 1 providing to the one to reference range will equal to 1. Thank you.